This just happened in AI, and it is massive. This is my best artificial intelligence, AI, stock to buy in June. Hint, it's not Micron technology, the Motley fool. Here is everything you need to know. Here is the full breakdown. This is my best artificial intelligence, AI, stock to buy in June. Hint, it's not Micron technology, an nbsp, the Motley fool. Here is why this matters to you personally. First, AI is moving faster than ever before. The people who stay informed right now will have a massive advantage over everyone else. Second, these tools are free or very cheap to start. There is absolutely zero excuse not to try them today. Third, subscribe to this channel right now. Every single day we bring you the latest AI news so you never fall behind. The AI revolution is happening right now. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you tomorrow. Let's go.